Hello guys, this is my Redmi 2 and today I will show you how to install TWRP. First we need to root and I have made the video on it and you can see in my channel and I will give you the link in my description. And first we need to download TWRP for Redmi 2 and this is the TWRP. I will give you the link for this also. And we need to download rasher flashing tool. It will help to install TWRP. So I'm going to install TWRP. Please guys see this. Recovery from storage TWRP. Yes, it's so partition flashed. Reboot to yes. Guys, as you can see, we are in TWRP. It installed TWRP. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.